platforms should you be on? So you want to know exactly what platforms to be on, because there's a lot of social media platforms out there. There's a lot that you could actually, get involved in, and actually be on, right? But it's important to be on about 3 social media platforms, because you want to have one main one and like 2 backups. The most important platform, in my opinion, is Facebook. Another good platform to me is actually Instagram. It's good for, building and branding and everything like that. So you want to have a Facebook account, an Instagram account, and you could pick another social media platform. Like you could have, if you're good on other platforms, you could have like Snapchat or Twitter, or let's say any platform that you feel that you're good at. Pinterest. Some people are Pinterest marketers. Whatever platform that you feel comfortable with, that's what platform that you should be on, right? But this is more pertaining to Facebook. So if you're on Facebook, you should generally do at least 1 post a day to your wall. So you want to do 1 wall post a day, preferably, and then you want to actually have value there and give content. And if you create a Facebook group at a later time, you want to be able to have them be able to go to your Facebook group as well through the content that you create. So if you're posting on Facebook or something like that, you want to be able to send them to a Facebook page, or send them to a lead magnet, which is also part of attraction. So I'm going to talk about that too. You also want to post 1 story ad, or 1 story, not 1 story ad, but 1 story post, and you want to be able to have, 1 story post about, 3 times a day. So, it could be about anything, but you want to have a minimum of 1, so that way, people are watching you in the stories too. So if they're watching your stories, that means that they're loving your content, right? They're not getting enough of just a regular post. They want to see more of you. So what do? They go into the stories. They want to see more of what's going on with you, right? So it's very important to do that, and you'll have people actually look at you, and it'll help with the branding. It'll help with your credibility by being able to post, and you're engaging with your people on Facebook, because the people that engage are the people that are going to get the love back that they should get. So make sure you engage. Make sure you do 3 story posts. You try to do 3 story posts, a minimum of 1, but 3 throughout the day, right? And then you want to do at least 1 to 2 posts on your wall, a day, and you want to spread them out like at least 4 hours, so that way they're seen and they're not cut in half. If you post too much, it'll cut your visibility down too. So don't post too much. Make sure you keep that gap in between those time frames.